About a decade ago in Japan, Dr. Masamu Uechi, a veterinarian cardiologist, started developing and perfecting the technique of mitral valve repair surgery, which is what we're doing here today at the BBC. So mitral valve repair surgery, essentially, it's an extraordinarily complex procedure that requires state-of-the-art facilities like we offer here at the BBC, and a large team of highly specialized veterinary surgeons. This is an extraordinarily challenging procedure. It's a very rare procedure still. Nowadays, it's only been performed in a handful of countries, specifically Japan, United Kingdom, France, and United States. Performing here at the BBC mitral valve repair surgery, it's an honor because it's the first time this procedure has been done in the Middle East. We feel very proud to be pioneering this and offering patients that would otherwise have no alternative and literally no option. We're offering them a possibility of a cure.